take Ben Nye and Clown White to white out our face. And then we're gonna move in with a soft brown transition color all over the base of our eyelids and eyebrows. Blend, blend, blend. And then we're gonna just contour the nose with the same ash brown color. We're gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills and contour the shit out of our faces. I'm also using a little bit of blue in there, so it's more of a dead flesh color. You don't want to look like you've got a sun-kissed look when you're that white. Now you're going to take an aqua blue, also as a transition color. We're taking a electric blue and a deep turquoise into the depths of our eyes, also making a shape of sadness towards the eyebrows. You want to look kind of sad because, well, you know, you're a dead bitch. Okay, now you're taking eyeliner and we're gonna smudge it out very nicely with a deep purple. Blend it very well with your blending brush. Also on the tip of your nose, we want to look like you have a little bit of frostbite. We're gonna go in with a rosy pink blush on the tip of our nose and around our mouth area to make it look like blistered weather has torn on our face. We are taking the NYX white pencil on our eyebrows to make it look like frosty. Here was my favorite part about this makeup was the veining. It's very delicate, kind of hard to see in the pictures, but this is really where you get to be creative and do your veining any way you like.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you.
All right, back in with that NYX pencil as our white liner. Now for the glitter, you're just gonna use a little bit of duo glue and just paint on the glitter anywhere you see fit. I kind of thought at the base and on my eyebrows were a good place. Although it is hard to see in pictures, it's a beautiful detail in person. Now we're taking a blood red D is for Danger Matte Cosmetics lipstick into the center of our lips, buffing it out with a muted purple. And now we're going in with an NYX deep dark blood red in the middle of our lips. Now for the lashes. I've used these lashes before. I absolutely love them. You can get them from the Spirit store as well as the mesh contacts. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and follow me at Katie Detail Anyway. Bye, zombies.